Welcome back to the job site. Today we had a 4-beam basement. 2 beams, foundation pocket to pocket, and 2 floating beams. The floating beams meet in the middle of the house to allow for the basement stairs to cut through them. This takes a little bit of bracing and just a little more finesse. With adjustable columns underneath and the bolted wood plate on top, MC Construction is able to set these beams and securely brace them with ease. Let's watch as they put the final touches on. At Kozel Steel, we make sure your job is done right. From certified operators to updated trucks, you can rest assured that you're in good hands. Thanks for watching.